Today we're going to be unboxing a Inwin 805 mid-tower game and PC case. Yes, oh yes, look at that X-Acto knife go. Cut that tape, son. Oh, stretch across, yes, there you go. Finally, yes, unbox it. And here we go, guys. This thing is packaged really well, and even the instructions come in this heavy duty plastic Ziploc bag. The instructions, zip ties, all the mounts and screws that you need for the motherboard, and the wire ties. Very well, neatly packaged. Two styrofoam trays that the case actually fits down into snugly. Snugly. So that way it doesn't get broken or anything during shipping. Almost there we go, got it out there. Oh, look at that. It's nice. Ooh. And this right here, this black burlap sack that the PC case is actually in. I mean, this thing is, it's like I'm getting ready to unveil a Corvette. I'm super excited here. Come on, put it down. Yes. Oh, I can tell this thing's gonna be a beauty. Nice burlap sack to cover the PC. Keep the 3mm glass from getting scratched. So here we go, guys. I'm uncovering a brand new 2021 Corvette. Take the top off of it. Yes, look at that honeycomb design underneath that 3mm tempered glass. Oh, yes. Show us the tempered glass. Oh, there it is. Yes. Inwin's logo right there on the right hand side lights up white. Their logo on the front lights up white. Has the honeycomb like design on the front. Has the USB 3.1C style, the 3.0 USB, the HD audio, and two 2.0 USBs, and of course your power button. Yes, sleek design. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful case, man. This fits, as far as the cooling goes, there's 120mm in the rear. The front is 120mm or 140mm fan times 2. The bottom is 120mm fan times 2. If you want to do the water cooling, you can do up to a 280mm liquid cooling radiator with a height of up to 60mm. And if you want to do a rear water cooling, it's a 120mm liquid cooling radiator with a height up to 35mm. This is a mid-tower. Fits an ATX motherboard, a micro ATX board, and a mini ITX board. Just a beautiful case. The aesthetics and the design is very pleasing. You can tell it is a high class design of a case. It is very distinguished, like Sean Connery. This case is absolutely stunning. Like I say, it's built very well. One of the nicest PC cases I've ever run across. Like I said, it has the two 3mm glass panels on both sides. So aesthetically, if you want to show off your GPU and your CPU and all your cool lights and liquid cooling, this is going to be ideally the best case to buy. I will drop a link in the description if you guys are interested in picking this case up. This case comes in gold, black, and red as far as the front little inlay, as you've seen in the very beginning of the video. Definitely recommend this case. And Inwin also makes a lot of other paraphernalia, and they make fans. They're a pretty cool company, man. They're well established. I would definitely advise anybody to check out Inwin on any of their products. But yeah, this case right here, the 805 from Inwin, it's a thing of beauty, I must say. So definitely check it out, guys. I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can check out their website. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Look at the gold.